ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಸವರಾಜ್. ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಲಾಜಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಷಯದ ಕುರಿತು ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ 6th ಯೂನಿಟಿನ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಚೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ electronic business and supply chain management, how it is connected together. The process of putting the demand and supply, planning and execution information into a collaborative mode through the internet helps the employees to communicate with customers, suppliers and others business functions swiftly, and also helps to execute ordering, promising and processing and other manufacturing activities more quickly at lesser cost. See, nowadays that e-business, you might have heard about this online marketing and e-commerce, right? Almost the people are buying goods and services through the Flipkart, Amazon. So now the tremendous changes in the e-business, and that is that connecting to the supply chain management, supply chain. So by using up the e-business in the supply chain management, it almost helps to the employees to communicate easily. The employees to communicate with our customers, suppliers, they can communicate suppliers and other business functions swiftly, very quickly, and also helps to execute ordering, promising, whatever the promising, ordering and processing and manufacturing activities, almost we can take into as quickly at lesser cost. So very fastly reaches to the information to the public, customers, suppliers, manufacturers. That will benefit to the all manufacturer activity. E-business can provide virtual supply chain over the internet. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ಈ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು. ಇಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ e-business in the supply chain management? You see that provides information on the products to all the participants of the supply chain. So here the manufacturer, retailer, wholesaler, customers, those are the participants of the supply chain. And allows placing orders with suppliers. You can place the orders and allows customers to place orders. The customer can order in the internet by using of internet, through net, and filling and delivering the orders to customers. Almost whatever that if you are a customer, then you are ordering the product by using of this e-commerce or electronic commerce. So then they deliver very easily and very accessibly, and receiving payments from customers. That is also very easy to collect the payments through the Phone Pay, Google Pay, now net banking, Yono Pay. Likewise, that they collect easily, and then that is the benefit of the e-business. E-business framework. E-business framework consists of the role it plays all the functions of a supply chain, like marketing, sales, research and development, logistics, etc. So you can see that e-business in the marketing, sales, research and development purpose and logistics, the values that e-business provides a supply chain by providing clear visibility of every stage in supply chain. E-business provides a supply chain clear visibility, that you can see that information, whatever the transactions between the persons and parties. It can increase the general values, the exchange and share data across the world. You may exchange the data across the world, throughout the world. It's a globalized market, what we are going to see today. Through the e-business, you can connect into the entire world. The send message is faster and cheaper, so that is a benefit. Approve and proof work quickly, that is also benefit. And introduce collaborative working. You can collaboratively working simultaneously. You can take more than one or two works. And update employees instantly new policies and procedures. You can make a new policy and procedures and easily accessible to the employees regarding company issues, what are rules, regulations like. And hold web meetings or data conferencing. Nowadays that online marketing, online classes, this you see that electronic classes are also successfully running. See that for connecting of the business meetings, not able to attend as physically in that place, then we may go through the web meetings. So that is a benefit to the electronic business. And even you can conduct conferences also. Business can conduct the conferences also. That is a benefit. Take advantage of time differences. If it is physically delivering of goods and services, that it will take more time. But if it is electronic business, then easily reachable to the customer, and then it saves the time also. And send out email automatically, whatever the customer's complaints regarding whatever things, you can send the email automatically for the further concern. And use the internet to improve the business administration, that is most useful. And getting trained on this web, so whatever that web is more useful to the business. And for even the research and development value also increases from this e-business. The expedite market and product research, almost all the information is available on the web, and most of it is free. Finding information to assist in product development is usually much quicker using e-commerce methods, significantly reducing product development time. So that if it is traditional market, in a traditional business, almost it takes the time in by using of e-business, that will automatically reduce the time. And trade intellectual assets on the web. The patent, other intellectual assets can be bought, sold and licensed in e-market. Can sold intellectual assets also, making the whole process of acquiring licensing rights, marketing them much easier for easy purpose. Make easy purpose, that's this e-commerce is more useful. And even marketing value also increases. See that look bigger and use the internet, deliver products and services, provide an extensive business profile and online information center, track response on the internet, send newsletters to customers and save time, postage and packing. Almost it saves the time and package and posting charges. And clearly position your business by using of this e-commerce, so that it makes a higher position. And sales value also increases. Introduce another channel to market, automatic interactive business processes, lower the cost of order processing, and no physical space limitations, buy and sell quicker, boost sales with the exports, close sales faster, use a website for a direct and indirect selling, you can use it. Procurement value also increases, reduce procurement cost and improve the efficiency. And logistics values, almost that optimize inventory levels. This is that purpose is the business, e-business and supply, e-business and supply chain management. So the matters. Provide information by self-services, that is also benefit. And important models of e-business or e-commerce, that's the business to consumer, e-business B2C, business to consumer, we can say that. See, almost this take place between company and consumer. A consumer comes directly in contact with the company and can view the company brochure prospects online along with their product and services, makes an order. This type of business reduces trouble of the consumers going to retail outlet and buying their goods. Almost that business to consumer, that is the B2C model in the e-commerce. So directly they are connecting to the consumers through the business. And then business to business, almost whatever the supplying of goods and services to business, where transactions taken between company and company. The many time one company is dependent on another company for raw material, spare parts or other products which they require to manufacture their goods. So that time, that for manufacturing of goods and services, that time the one company needs the raw materials from the other company, then by easily ordering between one company to another company, this business e-commerce is more useful. There is e-business, that is supply chain management. There is enterprise resource management, e-commerce, online activities between businesses, collaboration, each other, and electronic transfer within the firm, and business intelligence in customer relationship management. It makes the business intelligence, customer relationship, supply chain management, enterprise resource management. It takes more e-commerce activity, online activities, and collaboration activity in an organization. Finally, I hope you understood this e-commerce, e-business in supply chain management. It's a matter for the general increasing of the general value, the sales value, and then almost it increases the logistics value, research and development value, customers value. So for that purpose, this e-commerce e-business is important. The role of e-business in the supply chain management. The e-business framework consists of the role it plays in all the functions of a supply chain like marketing, sales, research and development, logistics. Almost is useful to the marketing, sales, research and development and logistics. The values that e-business provides to a supply chain by providing clear visibility of every stage in supply chain. It provides clear visibility in the wholesaler hand, in the hand of wholesaler, in the hands of agents, in the hands of the retailer, in the hands of the customer, and then in the hands of the manufacturer. So this is the overall view of the e-business in the role of e-business in the supply chain management. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you, one and all.